ready to share your brilliant thoughts with the world. Let's get your article published on Medium in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Medium.com and click on the right button to start a new story. Now, it's time to unleash your inner writer. Paste your article directly into the editor or compose it from scratch right here on Medium. Take advantage of Medium's easy-to-use formatting tools to structure your article. A captivating image is crucial. Click the Add an Image icon to upload a relevant and eye-catching picture to draw readers in. Tags are your best friends for discoverability. Scroll to the bottom and add relevant tags to your article. Almost there. Once you're happy with your formatting and tags, look for the Publish button at the top right. Click Publish. Review your settings one last time in the confirmation window and hit Publish now to share your masterpiece. Congratulations! Your article is now live on Medium. Don't forget to share it on your social media channels. Happy writing!